Hey, how y'all doing? This is the channel of Most Wanted. And please subscribe, please join my channel, which once you do, hey, hit that bell for more updates. Leave a like, leave a dislike, leave a message, leave a comment. Now you see pork chops here. Some of my pork chops are shake and baked. Some of them are deep fried. Now I made a video yesterday because my refrigerator died. So now all my meat that did not go bad already, I had to fry it up. I had to cook it. But where am I going to put it? With a dead refrigerator. Where I live at, are they going to replace my food? Or are they going to give me next month rent free? Because all that food cost me $300 fucking dollars. Now, you see what time it is? So, I'm going to cook this up today. That chicken, I may have to just throw that away. I don't really want to take a chance on it. That fish and that shrimp, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and make that up. But that chicken, no. It's beginning to smell bad. I'm pissed off. I had 2 Cornish hens in there. I had some goat meat up in there. I wanted to make curry goat. And I doubt seriously if I could take a chance on that. Everybody, please, just, hey, you know what to do. But yeah, things are going downhill for me for now. I'm a strong man, strong-hearted man. I don't let shit get me down. Everybody take care. Everybody try to love one another. Love your family, because my family don't love each other. Well, they don't love me. I don't give a fuck. Take care, everybody. Peace out.